Here's a long day of picking up this new project. This is a 1947 or 48 Willys Overland Jeepster. I had the shell of one of these in kind of closely the same condition as a teenager, and I never finished it. I was going to make a hot rod out of it. This one actually has a engine that turns over. I may try to see if I can get it running just for to see if it will. But ultimately, this is probably going to get a more modern engine. See what I can find inexpensively in a junkyard that I can get overhaul or get it running. This is in really rough shape. The one I had in high school, the frame was completely gone. This one, the frame seems to be the majority of the of the purchase here. The frame is pretty solid. It's missing a lot of pieces. I'm actually surprised of what it does have. I'm going to be doing a lot of sheet metal work on this. The body has a lot of rot. The floors are pretty much non-existent. Not a problem. I kind of just fixed that with the Plymouth Scamp, so I can go ahead and put new floors in here. They do sell a kit that will fit this. The station wagon version of this is the same floor. So if I wanted to, I could purchase a floor and weld it in, or what I'm probably going to do is piecemeal it myself out of sheet metal. Just more for the practice than anything else. My goal with this is to get it running, to get it safe, and to have fun with it. I probably will paint it. I probably will paint it myself and not do that good of a job on it. So I had a blast pulling this out of a house down in where was that? It was just south of Colorado Springs, about a 2-hour drive from here. But she's rough. Originally, this was an Arkansas car that somehow found its way to a collector in Oklahoma, and then sat for a long time. I believe more of as a parts car than anything else. And then a gentleman from Colorado Springs, or just south of there, rescued it from them about 10 years ago, and it's been sitting outside his barn in Colorado Springs for that long. And it's on Marketplace about 3 months ago, and I saw it and I'm like, oh, that's something I would like to have. And then I couldn't find the ad again, and it just weirdly popped up this the Memorial Day week or Labor Day weekend. And so I made an offer and he accepted. I drove down and just bought it pretty much sight unseen. As if I can't get it running with the original engine, I will go find something and put it in and make it a hot rod, which was the original plans with my original one that I never did because family and things happened and career. So now that I don't have half of those things anymore, I have time to play. So she's going to sit here probably for another year. I've got other projects ahead of her, and it's not going to fade away too much more if I just let it sit here on the hill. I tried to get her up the hill a little bit more, but I just don't have the energy to push her up the hill by myself. And I tried with my little riding lawnmower, and the sand is too soft. It just kept digging itself in. But it mostly rolls. Yeah, I probably could have done better if I inflated the front tire there. But yeah, she's blocked in there pretty good. It's not much of a hill here, so I think she's going to stay there for a while. So that's the latest project.